We're connected for sure. I come with the love of God in my heart and soul. God is within me. God is within us all. God is within your soul, if you welcome Him.
The keeper of the book. Bugs.
Where is the female? She's behind. She's behind the box. I'm going to envision the white light for you. I'm going to pray for you. Any lost souls here who are seeking the white light of heaven. The white light is shining down from above into this room, filling this room like a light grenade. It is so overwhelmingly bright but warm at the same time. The warm white light is here. If you can accept God and you can accept love, feel free to soak that light in. Feel it. Can you say, I accept love? Love is the key. Is there anything else you'd like to say? We're connected for sure. This is crazy. Is there anything else you guys would like to say? I send my love to you, my respect to you. What is it like where you are? What is it like there? Have you ever seen God? All right, spirits, thank you. I'm going to shut down. Much love to you. Thank you, and have a good night. This is Steve Huff. Thank you so much. Love to all. What is your name? Vanessa? Leave your messages. The next spirit, can you come up and leave a message? Hello? I'm hearing Jessica in my head. Jessica, I love you. It's almost like it's echoing, like wow, 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 wow. I call on angels, I call on beings of light to help any lost Are there any lost souls here tonight?
Oh, yes.
I can envision that light for you. This is Steve. I come as a friend, you know that.
And you, Huff.
Who is this? Who's speaking?
We look to Chris.
You love the crystal? It's a beautiful crystal. Thank you. Do I guide spirit? Am I one who guides spirit? Because I would love to do that for you.
Prayer. Prayer.
Prayer. I do that for you guys. What color do you see?
Yellow. If you can get me out of this. Not a formal name of God.
You're talking about God's light. All right, thank you. If you like this video,
To give them light.
to give them light. The spirit who's strongest here, can you come forward and speak? What is your name? I'm Steve. There's an energy right by me.
I can talk to you.
Are there two of you in this room? Or three of you? I'm sensing three of you. Come on through. I'm right here.
There's a release of energy.
There's a release of energy. So that's how I feel you, because you release that energy, right? And I release my energy. We kind of feed off each other. I'm now standing up. I do and will pray for you.
Just unbelievable stuff.
This is unbelievable stuff, isn't it? You guys are just as surprised as I am sometimes by this. This is real. You know it's real. I know it's real.
Yeah, that's what we thought.
Yeah, I know it's real. You know it's real. The world needs to know it's real. If you can hear me, God, thank you for blessing my life and filling it with love, happiness, positivity, and peace.
That I am God.
You are God? This is incredible, guys. This is absolutely incredible. I will continue to spread love. Love is the key. Thank you. All right, I'm going to shut this device off. I am just feeling this love energy going through me. It is intense.
Now we're ready.
Are you ready? So I will open that door. I will visually open that door. You will see it open. And the spirits can come in. And you can talk through this box. But only kind, loving spirits are welcome. Who is here?
But the tables.
Tables? Well, we're at the table.
Drapes. And then.
Are any of you talking right now? Are you earthbound spirits?
That's right.
That's right. I knew it because earlier you told me you were earthbound spirits. I'm going to play that clip for you guys right now. Check it out. Anybody want to test this box?
For earthbound spirit.
So earlier you told me you were earthbound spirits. You just validated it. Why are you earthbound? Why are you stuck here? Do you know?
Because I can't hear.
You can't hear. Wow, we're having some back and forth here, guys. Thank you. This is astonishing. They're earthbound spirits. I got that message earlier. It was just validated. Why are you stuck on Earth? How did that happen? In the easiest way possible, answer if you can. And I'll try to figure it out if you can't be complex. Why are you earthbound? How did you get stuck as an earthbound spirit? This is Huff. This is Steve Huff. I'm your friend. I come with respect and love. Love is the key. God's love energy is within us all. We just have to acknowledge it, accept it, and unlock it. Why are you earthbound? Can you say if you want to cross over? Is that what you want? You have to let me know. Oh man.
That's why this pulls.
Oh man. Alright guys. I'm gonna shut down because I can't keep feeling this energy surge and this vibration in me, because it will just wear me down tomorrow, and I have a full work day tomorrow. Is there anything else you want to say? If you have something to ask of me, go ahead. I welcome that. What would you like to ask me?
Magic is that?
Oh, there's 3 or 4 of you behind me now. Before I close this out, Michael is still guarding the door. I'm going to ask if Michael can open that door. And the spirits who are here, we're going to close out this session, and you can go back through that door. But this room does have the light energy in it. Much love to you. I'm going to shut this down. Michael will lead you out of this room. Who's the spirit? Who's the spirit here with me right now? I know you're here. I can hear you. Who is this? I heard you. Who is this? Sounded like a little girl saying, "Can you hear me? Can you hear me okay?" I do hear you. I hear you. Holy cow, guys. The voice that I hear, that's a little girl. Who is that? We are connecting, guys. I feel electricity on a scale of 1 to 10, about an 8. That means the spirit is here, going through me to speak through the box. Thank you, spirit. I hear you. I feel you. Here wanting to cross over. This room is just filling with the white light. I'm calling it down. I'm envisioning it. If there's any spirits here who would like to accept that love energy, please feel free to step into that white light. Wow. I'm Steve Huff. I'm going to have to close this out, okay? That was pretty intense. I felt that energy so strong. Thank you. Thank you, Spirit. Much love to you, okay? The crystal I got is amazing. It's so gorgeous. I'm going to envision the white light from God above. It's going to fill this room. That's right, trust it. I'm testing this new basic box with Bluetooth capability. I'm Steve.
Of Jesus and of all believer.
We're now using my Portal Connect.
We